Disadvantages of staff augmentation. Accessibility impairment as a result of remote staff. Providers employ resources from nations with lower cost of living to provide lower cost of staff augmentation. As a result, the staff will work remotely, making them less available than someone who works in the same office. Possibly miscommunication. Another disadvantage of staff augmentation is the possibility of communication breakdown. While many nations speak English, each country has its dialect, resulting in miscommunication. You must give critical instructions in details to ensure the message is comprehended to prevent this. It will significantly decrease communication mistakes and may even avoid time being lost. Different cultural origins. Finally, cultural differences may create stumbling blocks since culture significantly impacts handling a person. Among other elements, history, religion, and language all affect a person's work habits and thinking. We advocate educating yourself and reading books and articles on handling employees from countries where your staff augmentation supplier operates efficiently.